Sorry.
Is it fried? Like, boiled? Fried it oil?
Taste it also, no? Hey, no, like clicking. No, whether it is fish or not, you have somebody taking it.
Let him go. You take a video.
Once everything is arranged, madam, ಎಲ್ಲ arrange ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ video photo ಎಲ್ಲ
Take the dishes.